My name is Sifa Elemai Tonga, Langahetau Hum, but in the professional world I'm known as Elemai. Christchurch was so cold, I didn't want to be outdoors. That is where I discovered a talent of mine which I never knew I had, and that's powerlifting. My very first New Zealand representative, I was the only female in the team of 10, and I won my division there. My proudest moment was in Las Vegas, World Powerlifting, winning my division for 60-year-olds. In year 2000, I didn't know how to hit a golf ball, but I went for it anyway. Went to the New Zealand Masters, and this is what I achieved, a Millennium Gold. I broke the best gross for women. This one here, oh my goodness, and that's the net. Enrolled and did indoor rowing, 100 meters. I broke the record from 20 seconds to 19.5. And 16 years later, became an uber awesome driver.